Do you want to be able to plug and play email templates like that? I have a great website for you today that has thousands of templates so that you can plug and play right away that have been proven to convert. So stay tuned. Before we get going, make sure you stomp on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to improve your marketing and get results. So let's jump right in. I'm on a site called reallygoodemails.com, and let me go to the homepage real fast. This is an amazing website that has tons of different email templates that you can leverage. So it has a curated collection of over 6,736 emails showing off both the design and the code. So you can find all different kinds of email templates here, from e-commerce, fashion, Pinterest, Postmates, all these different types of email templates that you can leverage. So I am in the marketing space, so I might type in like digital marketing or something like that, and you can see what some of these templates look like. So as you can see, this is like an Aweber Summit template. So let's take a look at this one. So Aweber is a popular autoresponder tool that allows you to connect with your email subscribers and send out promotions and educational content. And this is one of their emails that they came up with. So they're going to show you what it looks like on different email clients. Some of that might not be super accurate, but they're going to show you how accessible it is for people with impairments, and they're going to show you how well they're using accessibility tags in their code. And then you can see what the copy of it is, how many times it's been viewed, and who's engaging with it. So they're talking about a summit where they get together and they talk about digital marketing and they're promoting tickets. So it's a nice template, and if you like this one, then you can leverage it. So if you like this email, then what you can do is you can actually add it to a collection. So you can collect it, you can create a new collection. You might say like digital marketing emails. You might say emails about digital marketing or something like that. So you can keep track of it and you can leverage it. And then you can build on your collection as you go. You can look at a bunch of different templates that are out there. So like maybe you are in like a newsletter space where you're writing a lot of newsletters to your people, so you might check out this one. And if you want to view the code on some of these, it's really cool. You can click this view code button, and it's going to give you all the HTML code in case it's like customized, and you can actually copy this and modify it to your own, which is really, really neat. So you can leverage some of these beautiful templates that designers are using. You don't have to be a designer, and you don't necessarily have to be a developer. You can go into here and you can find things and you can change them. So like, if you like the top portion and maybe it has like an image. So if you like this portion, you can figure out what it looks like in here, and you can figure out where the logo is, and you can go through here and see what it is. Or if you have developers, you can send this to your developers, which is really useful. Learning how to code is really valuable. It's a great asset and allows you to really customize what you're doing. And I'm a software engineer by education and trade, and so this is easy for me, but for a regular marketer, it might be really challenging. So I would encourage you to learn how to code, and if that's something you want me to show you how to do, leave a comment below and I can find resources for that and even teach it to an extent. But this is really cool. You can look into all these details and you can figure out like, how did they get the image like that, or how did they get it to look like that. They also have like a school section, so you can learn how to improve your content marketing and your email marketing, how to work with influencers, how to build your brand, all these different things. So they have a lot of different education pieces. You can also sign up for their email list if you want to get updates from them. Really, the draw of reallygoodemails.com is to see really good emails. So you can look at tons of different email templates for like things like thank yous for like orders or something. So you can see like what Audibles looks like, and maybe you want to collect that one as well. You can see what it looks like. You can see what their copy is. That's a big thing. Just seeing like how they thank customers after a purchase, or how they brand it, or whatever it might be, right? You can also look into how people go about selling something. So you can see discounts. You can look up e-commerce and promotion to see how people promote stuff and what their copy looks like, because that's really important, whether you're in the digital marketing space, or whether you're trying to promote yourself as an affiliate marketer, or whether you're trying to promote certain e-com products on your store or for somebody else, or you're working for somebody and you're doing their marketing. It's great just to see really good templates that are from established brands. So I'm going to put a link for this site below in the description. You can click that, you can check it out. It's a really cool site, and it will help you improve your email marketing and your design and It's a great resource. I highly recommend it. If you want to learn more about email marketing, say yes in the comments below, and I'd love to make more videos about it. I'm also going to leave my email address in the description below and in the comments so you can follow up with me if you want to learn how to 10x your digital marketing efforts. Whether you need more leads for your business or more sales, or you're trying to improve your email marketing or your advertising efforts with digital marketing, I would be happy to help. Everybody needs leads and everybody wants to improve their results, so send me an email, we'll book a free session, and we can go from there. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and slap like, and I'll see you later. If you like this video, hit that like button so more people can see it. Jump on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to make more money online and live a happier life. There's a video right after this one, so stay tuned for that. Peace out for now.